Yellowstone National Park, primarily located in Wyoming, is a vast natural canvas, renowned as the first national park in the world. It's a wonderland of geothermal activity, hosting more than half of the world's geysers, including the famous Old Faithful. The park's diverse landscape spans lush forests, dramatic canyons, alpine rivers, and sprawling meadows. It's a sanctuary for wildlife, with wolves, bison, elk, and bears roaming freely. Yellowstone sits atop a volcanic hotspot, and its terrain is shaped by ongoing geological processes, offering insights into the Earth's inner workings. The Grand Prismatic Spring, with its striking array of colors caused by microbial mats, is a highlight.